Hello everyone, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this detachable knotted headband. It's super easy and quite fast. So this was what I did. I measured the length of my headband and the width as well. Those are the measurements we'll be using. So I got my 2 pieces of my stretchy fabric and I placed them like so. Fold into 4. After folding into 4, you hold down with pin. You just go to the edge. From the folded points, you measure 1.5. Mark the midpoint like that. You connect the midpoint to the parts you marked. Cut off that part. Well, what I did here, I couldn't cut all once because it was too thick, so I just trimmed in that way. Then you're gonna have this shape after opening up. So at this stage, you just sew around and leave an opening for turning, which I have done. So after turning inside out like so, you close it by stitching the opened part. I have done that now. You are going to measure 2.5 inches at both ends. This is the part where we're going to insert the end of the Alice band. Fold. When you fold it, you make sure it's aligned properly. You fold the 2 ends like this. You're going to stitch it in that manner, okay? After stitching, this is what you should have. Then I can turn inside out again. So this is the feature that makes it detachable. Now I'm going to insert the Alice band. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and also turn on your post notification bell to enable you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Here is another piece which I have folded into 2. Secure with pins and do stitches along the open end. Turn inside out like so, and this is what we are going to be knotting. Ensure the seam is facing up, so you could just make it easy by holding it down with pins so that you will not have difficulty trying to knot it. So I have just knotted it, and I'll try to make sure it's properly arranged with the seam facing down. You can then remove the pins. I took the piece, wrapped it around like this to know where to stitch. I ensured the seams were facing each other. Now it's stitched. I wore the piece on the Alice band and I ensured the extra was inside by turning it like this. Then this is the end result. You can see how simple and how super fast it is. Kindly like, share, comment if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.